So, plan of action for the Blagg. We'll start with the interior. Pretty straightforward for this. So all of the black vinyl is actually the original vinyl from 1979. It's still in absolutely amazing condition. The grey was reupholstered in about 2001. Still in very good condition, just needs a bit of tidying up, good clean. Unfortunately all the staples have corroded away, but that's fairly easily remedied. Some new boards in there, stainless staples, and get everything cleaned up. And that's really about it for the upholstery. A couple of new pieces of carpet. And pretty much that is the interior all done, except for the new compass because the top's broken off. Exterior, we're going to pull the motor off. There's a little bit of corrosion on the motor plate, which you can't really see with it down. A sticky relay on the trim tilt, which needs sorting out, and we're going to go through the carburetors just to give them a clean up. Again, it all runs nicely, but it's basically 20 years since the motor went on, so it's due a bit of a going over. Body wise on the boat, we're going to redo the stripe. Again, just to tidy it up, change of colour just to freshen it up a little bit. A few little scrapes and things on it. And top side, I think we're going to repaint, or paint rather, not repaint, the whole of the top side. The boat has basically been stored inside most of its life, which I think is why it's so good as far as the transom and floor, etc. It was under covers for some time, which doesn't really show up on camera, but so it's left some marring in the gel coat at the front, which is not going to polish out. So I think we're going to do the top in white again, probably with all grip or something similar, to really finish that off. Redo the graphics. The Blagg logos are being remanufactured. Underside is basically a clean up. There's a couple of small patches which were done again probably 20 years ago, which just need tidying up. So the centre hull on this originally is the fuel tank. That was put out of commission many years ago, and we now just run off of the small 25 litre tanks. Trolley wise, we've got two new axles coming. It's just had new front units, so the rear suspension units are going to be renewed, and the brakes are being converted from push rod to cable. And again, other than that, really the trailer is just a good tidy up. The rest of it's good and solid. Maybe look at some new mud guards, and then really it's getting it back on the water and enjoying it again.